Good morning guys, and in front of me is TCL 605 and let me show you how to fix app crashing. So, if your app is not working for some unknown reason, there are several steps that you may take to correct it. So, let's start with opening the settings. Now enroll apps and just pick the app that is not responding, for example camera. And now mark force stop, tap on OK, and that's it. Then check if it's working, it may help. Then let me go back. Another way to do it is to open your Play Store. Now go to list of all your apps, manage apps and device, and here go to updates, because maybe there is some new version of your app and you need to update your app in order to make it work properly. So just mark on update and wait till it's done. Then again check if your app is working properly. It should do. Then if you wish to make it again because it's still not working, you can always remove your app and then download it again, but obviously it's only recommended when nothing else helps, because you will lose all your data if it's not set under login. So if you wish to remove it, just mark this app and tap on minus. So okay, now it's removed just for home screen. It's not working on TCL as on other phones. So let's open apps over here, choose some app that you want to remove. Okay, let me open TikTok and now mark uninstall. Then confirm that you want to do it and then just install it again. And the last option here, once some app is not working, actually not last, do it before uninstalling, is just to soft reset your device. So tap on power button along with volume, down button, tap and hold, keep holding. Once you feel a smooth vibration, remove both fingers from both buttons and wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.